Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to deposit money to your Betterment checking account. If you don't have a Betterment account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get up to $5,000 in assets managed free. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for checking at the left side menu. Click on Checking. At the upper right part of this page, you will see a button that says Deposit. Click on Deposit. Now, select the account from which you're going to pull out the money. Next, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Then click on Review Deposit. Review the following details. If everything looks good, click on Submit Deposit. That's how you deposit money to your Betterment checking account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.